Do you know that since 2015, the skill sets required for jobs have changed by 25%? Do you know that by 2030, the world will need to reskill more than 1 billion people due to technology-led changes in the workplace? Do you know a study conducted at Oxford University revealed a startling statistics? 45% of all current jobs are at risk of disappearing within the next decade, within the next 10 years. Do you want to become future proof? Let me first ask you, do you know what is future proof? Proof is a person who has the skills that would help him not become obsolete, useless, or failure in the future. Join me as I dive into the challenge of figuring out which future-proof skills are actually worth mastering for success. The concept of future-proof skills is more important than ever in today's rapidly evolving job market. With automation, artificial intelligence, and technological advancements changing the landscape of industries, it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve and develop skills that will remain relevant for years to come. The reality is, many traditional skills are becoming obsolete at an alarming pace, at an alarming rate. Think about it. Just a decade ago, skills like spreadsheet management, data entry, and even basic coding were in high demand. Fast forward to today, and these skills are being performed by machines and algorithms with greater speed and more accuracy. The question is, what's next? Will our current skills become redundant in the future? The thought of it can be unsettling, to say the least. The job market is shifting so rapidly that it's becoming increasingly difficult for individuals to keep their skills relevant. The pressure to constantly upskill and reskill is overwhelming, and it is easy to feel like we are stuck in a never-ending cycle of learning and adapting. But what if I told you there is a way to break from this cycle and focus on developing skills that will stand the test of time? The truth is, many of us are struggling to keep up with the pace of change. We are constantly wondering what the future holds and whether our current skills will be enough to get us there. It is a daunting thought, but it is also an opportunity to take control of our own careers and develop skills that will propel us forward, no matter what the future holds. Adaptability is one such future-proof skill. Adaptability. That's becoming increasingly important. It is the ability to adjust quickly, to learn from our mistakes, and to adjust to new situations and challenges. In a world where change is the only constant, being adaptable is crucial to staying ahead of the curve. Take, for example, the rise of remote work. Just a few years ago, working from home was seen as a luxury, but today it's become the norm. Those who were adaptable and open to change were able to thrive in this new environment, while those who resisted were left behind. Digital literacy is another critical future-proof skill that's essential for success, according to me. In today's digital age, we need to be able to navigate complex software, analyze data, and communicate effectively online. It is no longer enough to just be tech savvy. We need to be digitally fluent. Take for instance the rise of e-learning platforms. Those who are digitally literate can create and share their knowledge with a global, while those who are not are limited to traditional teaching methods. Emotional intelligence is another future-proof skill that's getting traction. It is the ability to understand ourselves and others, to empathize and communicate effectively, and to build strong relationships that drive results. In a world where automation is taking over tasks, emotional intelligence is becoming the key differentiator between humans and machines. Take, for example, the role of a salesperson. While AI can analyze data and make predictions, it's a person's emotional intelligence that builds trust and closes deals. Critical thinking is the final future-proof skill I want to highlight. It's the ability to analyze information, identify patterns, and make informed decisions. In a world where misinformation is rampant, critical thinking is more important than ever. Take, for example, the role of a researcher. While AI can analyze data, it's the researcher's critical thinking that separates fact from fiction and uncovers new insights. Let me share a compelling success story that illustrates the power of future-proof skills in real life. It's about my neighbor's daughter, Sarah, a marketing professional who was kind of struggling to keep up with the changing landscape of her industry. She realized that her traditional skills were becoming obsolete and she needed to adapt quickly. She invested in developing her digital literacy, emotional intelligence, and critical thinking skills. Fast forward a year, and Sarah was leading a team of marketers, creating innovative campaigns that drove real results. Her story, for me, is a testament to the power of future-proof skills in driving career success. Well, in conclusion, the future-proof skills I have discussed today, which include predominantly adaptability, digital literacy, emotional intelligence, and critical thinking. These are essential for ensuring long-term career success. They are the skills that will propel us forward, no matter what the future holds. So let me ask you, what do you think? Which future-proof skills do you believe are most important for success? Share your thoughts in the comments below.